Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be going to the beach.
Yep, we're going to the beach, y'all. We're gonna be vlogging the whole day. I guess I'm gonna eat after. But yeah, y'all.
Hey guys. Sorry.
What's so funny, Reese?
Bro, nothing. It's like, why you got the camera on me, bro?
All right, y'all. We're gonna head out.
Head out to that beach. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
All right, we'll see y'all there. Bye.
Hey guys, we're just kind of going through a Fruit Loop right now, and you know, kind of things have been on my mind lately. Thinking about Anyway, yeah, we just went through the Fruit Loop, and now we're on a straightaway. As you can see, we're there. And as you guys...
2 minutes away, as y'all can see.
We're not showing that. But
Okay.
as you can see, this is your guys' view. Kind of smells over here. I think there's like a sewer or something. Hey, y'all. We are going through a Fruit Loop. Sorry, guys. I think a beetle just flew in my mouth. That was actually disgusting. But we're currently almost there, and when we get there, you won't be hearing from me. But you can hear from this guy.
You're gonna be silent?
I'll be silent. Kawhi Leonard. Alright, guys. Hey. Pipe down low, bro. Alright, guys. We'll see you later. And if you guys want to hit the comments down below and let me know if, just let me know, okay?
All right, y'all, we're here. We just arrived. How you feeling, Reese? All right. Good. Let's slide these on. Reese. No. Hey. Bro. Fucking, bro, I'm wet, y'all. I'm wet. Reese, you just got me wet. Bro, nah, bro.
Alright, my bad, guys. And actually, it was November a couple months ago, and I just got off of it. Whew!
No, November was like 6 months ago.
Yeah.
8 months ago.
Dude, I was still participating. So chill.
All right, let me go ahead and put these her dad's shoes on.
Why you gotta hate, bro? I was still participating. Show them that. Show them your feet right now.
No.
Show them your toes.
No.
That's disgusting.
Reese.
You want what you need?
No, stop.
Alright, we got him.
Here.
He's wet. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, guys. I'm gonna take you over. And I haven't told him yet. But I'm gonna tell him soon.
What are you saying to them?
Nothing. Okay, why are we going? Are we going outside?
Huh?
Did you have everything?
Yeah.
Bro, why aren't you gonna let me take off my socks?
Good.
Okay, thank you. Take this. Need a paint job? Actually, I have to get my toes done soon. Oh, my mom's ready to go.
I know, I heard. Put these in the trunk. That's my socks. Wait, why are yours black and mine are white? Oh, wait. Why are yours white and mine are black?
You stop being a bitch.
All right,
I can't
y'all.
wait to report you to your mother.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all soon. I'm gonna go ahead and head in. We'll see you on the beach. Hey, y'all. We're at the beach. Water's a lot Water's a lot higher than
Yeah, than he expected.
Look at the water. Look at the water. Like the water is normally like maybe 50 feet out.
Yeah, isn't that crazy, y'all?
But it was like raining the past couple of days, so it is what it is, man.
All right, get me.
All right.
All right, guys. So I only put on a 30 today, and people have been saying, "Oh, I look red," which I don't really think I look that red, but. Hey, chill, huh?
You're cooked.
Chill, shorty. But hey, lately I've been kind of thinking. Remember what I said to you guys earlier? Yeah, it's showing. It's showing.
What?
Remember when I came off the camera and I was like saying to them stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's showing right now, guys. So tight shit. My bad. Camera, zap me up real quick. So. That shit. But we're about to head out. Maybe go. We might just like chill out, change a little bit, and then we're gonna head to the mall just to check out the store. And then we're definitely gonna watch a movie when we get back to my house, and probably cook. So stay tuned, and the special guest will be there soon.
Special guest? Oh.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all
Special
gonna
guest.
see a
Special guest. So stay there.
All right. Yo, we just found a windshield wiper on a headlight.
Is that like go to the? Can they like turn that on? Like I want to see it work, bro.
It's crazy, right?
I wonder if it has windshield fluid or something like going. Guys, we got him. Guys, we got him.
I should have completely went up my nose, bro.
Baby shark, doo doo doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark. Daddy shark, doo doo doo. Daddy shark, doo doo doo. Daddy shark, doo doo doo. Daddy shark. Grandma shark, doo 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 doo. Grandma shark, doo doo doo. Grandma shark, doo 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 doo. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark, doo doo doo. Grandpa shark, doo doo doo. Grandpa shark, Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, doo doo doo. Let's go hunt, doo doo doo. Let's go hunt, doo doo. Let's go hunt.
All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. We did a bunch of random stuff today. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. If you guys comment Avon and Reese in the comments, I'll contact you.
And we'll get you a free clothing item from our store.
Yeah, from our website. We have a clothing brand, rootboys.com.
Tight.
That's ROOTBOYZ.com. And I'll put it in the description. But yeah, you just let me know what you want from the store. and I'll go ahead and place your order. But yeah, we'll do all that stuff like through Instagram.
Tell 'em.
Just hit us
Tell
up.
'em.
So yeah, y'all have a good one.
Y'all have a good one.
I think our next video is probably gonna be couples yoga.
We're doing couples yoga, so
Have a good one. Bye.